All right, everyone. My name's Will Thompson. I'm the United States Attorney for the Southern District of West Virginia. I have a number of law enforcement members behind me. I have FBI Supervisory Senior Resident Agent Tony Rousa, ATF Acting Resident Agent in Charge Jed Chittum. I have Raleigh County Sheriff James Kennedy, as well as his Chief Deputy Larry Lilly. I have Beckley Police Lieutenant W.G. Pinnell. Also have representatives of the West Virginia State Police and the Assistant United States Attorney Andy Isabel. The purpose of this press conference is to announce a major development in the Operation Burnt Swag case. This was a months-long investigation by all the people behind me, organizations involved. What's happened today is Ronald Levon Mason, 46 years old, of Beckley, pled guilty to conspiracy to distribute fentanyl and cocaine base, which is crack cocaine. He faces a possible penalty up to 20 years and up to $1 million fine. Mr. Mason has an extensive criminal history. It's my understanding this was his third federal felony. To give you a little background on burnt swag, that was an indictment that was returned a few months ago in which 12 people were indicted. He is the third person to plead guilty, but he is the major player in this indictment. That's why I felt it was important to come today and do this press conference. He supplied individuals with drugs that they would then redistribute, and then they would redistribute to street-level dealers. So he was essentially 3 levels up on the food chain. This drug trafficking organization not only brought fentanyl and crack cocaine, it also brought a significant amount of methamphetamine. The drugs that Mr. Mason distributed, he distributed them both at his residence in Beckley, and he would also take them to people to distribute as well. I'd like to give a big shout out, and this is an example of why these cases work well, is the cooperation among all of our police agencies, from our federal partners to our state partners to our local partners. And I hope I don't miss anyone, but I want to give a shout out to the FBI, the ATF, the Beckley Raleigh County Task Force, which consists of officers of the West Virginia State Police, the Raleigh County Sheriff's Office, and the Beckley Police Department. It's also my understanding there was some assistance from the Central Regional Drug and Violent Task Force out of Fayette County. With that being said, I'll now open it up for any questions that anyone might have. One other thing, Mr. Mason is going to be sentenced on February 14th of next year. Any questions? There will be a press release that do we have those ready to distribute now, Larry? Okay, will be distributed. It contains a lot of these facts and a little bit more information about it. If there's no further questions, thank you for coming, and we'll see you again next time.